sometimes rain. Sometimes drizzle, drip, drip, drain. Sometimes picnic, sometimes rain. Sometimes dropping, steady chill. Sometimes frosting every hill. Sometimes sledding, frozen toes. Sometimes carrot, sometimes nose. Sometimes twinkle, winter white. Crystal garden, silver night. Sometimes boring, wonder, wait. Sometimes early, sometimes late. Sometimes clear, bright and glowing. So much melt, the mud is growing. Sometimes flying, magic swing. Blooming treehouse, happy spring. Sometimes dreaming, open skies. Sometimes chasing butterflies. Sometimes blazing secret trails. Sometimes finding frogs and snails. Sometimes splashing yellow sun. Sometimes soaking summer fun. Sometimes changing vibrant trees. Sometimes zipping out the breeze. Sometimes stomping leafy crunch. Sometimes eating apple lunch. Sometimes piles 10 feet tall. Sometimes jumping into fall. Sometimes wandering far and near. Always knowing someone here. Always ready, stay or roam. Always welcome. Always home.